First, let's make a farm. Here's an egg. Let's see which animal we have here. Here's a duckling. Here's a lamb. Now it's a duck. We have a baby rabbit. It turns into a big rabbit. Now let's take the animals out of the barn. It turns into a ewe, or a big sheep. Now it's a big squirrel. Next we have a chick, or we have a Here's a kitten, baby hedgehog. Now it turns into a big hedgehog. Here's a puppy, baby chicken. Now it's a rooster. Now it's a big cat. Here's a piglet. We have a kid, or a young goat. Now it's a big goat. Now it's a big dog. Now it's a big pig. Here's a young llama. Now we have a young alpaca, or cria. Now it's a big alpaca. Now it's a big llama. We have a young donkey. Now it's a big donkey. Here's a young pony, a foal, or a young horse. Now it's a big horse. Now it's a big pony. Here's a Hereford. Here's a calf, a Simmental calf. Here's a Texas Longhorn. Now it's big. Now it's big. Now it's big. Here's a small Holstein cow. Here's a black Angus, or calf. Now it's a big cow. Now it's big. Rooster, duck, pig. So we have a horse, a pony, squirrel, cows, dog, rabbit, hedgehog, goat, sheep, llama, alpaca, dog, and a cat. Donkey,